Careful where you're going. I'm trying to sanitize this place first. When I'm done, nothing's gonna be left living. Oh, it makes your eyes water, don't it? Yeah! Make way for the toxic smog! Pretty soon I'll have this whole block covered, and then I'll say, sweet dreams! I just ooze with Halloween spirit. I also ooze with all kinds of toxic stuff too, but don't worry, it's only lethal in large doses. Why, look at me! I'm the picture of health. If anything, this will probably make you live longer. Nothing like a little Halloween fog to set the mood. I can't get enough of this stuff. Get a load of this holiday cheer.